morning. So yeah, we're going off to Freethorpe this afternoon up near Cantley to go off-roading in the Suzuki Vitara. So yeah, I'll put some videos up and hopefully we'll have a good day. So I just met up with Mr. Vincent. He has the 4x4 on the back of the recovery truck. So we are set to go off to McDonald's, meet the rest of the crew and get up to Cantley for a bit of off-roading. So this is our George driving the Vitara. I came down here sideways, can't see much. Backwards.
That way?
Left, I think is it. So we're going up there, apparently.
Where's he going?
I don't know. We're going up here. Sky mud, sky mud, sky mud.
I think we go there.
Yeah, you want to punch it through here though. Punch it. Yep, he punched it. God, it's fucking rough old ride, isn't it? Oh yeah. We're up. Got it in high ratio. Spin the wheels up quicker. Yeah? Yeah, we got stuck in low though.
No, I want it all in low because you don't do the clutch in it. 4 low. Smell the clutch?
Yeah.
Yes. 4 low doesn't kill the clutch. First and second gear.
Yeah,
Right?
we were well stuck though.
What? Up there?
Up there, yeah.
Yeah, but that's why you're going to fucking annihilate the clutch in about 10 minutes, dick. So yeah, 4 low, first and second gear. If not, you'll be putting the clutch in.
Can't blame me.
Well, I can blame you.
There's a large dip. Yeah, go on, we'll get down there.
Really?
Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, he said. Wagon. Up there. That'll do. Oh, tree to the face. Going up there. Large logs about in there. Yeah, that looks muddy as fuck. Oh. Punch it! Punch it! I think we might be stuck in there maybe. Large puddle next to me. Do my window up. I'm about to get very muddy as well. This is where that broken winch would have come in handy. If you floor it, get the wheels spinning up and then give the wheel a shake. Don't keep your thumbs outside of it though. You might even want to. No, he didn't see the hole.
What?
He didn't see it.
Which way have you gone?
That way, yeah. I was like, punch it.
What am I hitting?
on, get them wheels spinning.
See if I can get it out. Big puddle there. Get it out of there. Of course, that's like I wouldn't have even driven in there.
Here comes the 4x4 master.
I'm not confident about this.
Mr. Vincent. It's only stuck temporarily, he said. You ain't gonna hit. My tire would have got out on the little SJ.
George, you need to go and find a truck which is bright orange. Oh, there it is. Hello!
So, stuck. Focus. Here comes recovery. I don't think he knew it was there, to be honest, Robert.
And a proper week.
Yeah, that's what you want. I think yours would have burnt out by now.
Mine, connected to that tree, would have done perfectly.
Yeah, if it was working.
Best capabilities.
Yeah. Yeah,
Life expectancy.
he come round here, I was expecting him to go that way and he carried on going straight. I was like, there's a hole there, and he was like, yeah, too late. I was like, punch it. I was like, bang. Fuck.
No, it ain't going to go through there.
No.
You're going across the tracks the wrong way, lose all your momentum, and...
When he said hit it, he meant hit it at speed.
I just want to follow reverse, but out forward.
Reverse, hit it! Oh dear.
That's improvement, that.
Get those wheels spinning.
You got a recovery point in front of that.
We'll chuck him out in a minute. He should have got through there quite easily.
He stopped his momentum and dropped his front.
Pull him out sideways, that'll be alright.
Let's just pull him out from there.
Yeah, do it, pull him out.
Stop digging holes.
I would. Teach him a lesson. Right, Rob, you're going to pull him out sideways.
Yeah, just pull him out up here. No, why don't you just hook it on here and drag him in, alright?
Not you.
Yeah, why don't I
Yeah. It's not going back on the roads.
That'd save moving you, wouldn't it? It'll be more exciting for him. He might tip over in a puddle.
It'd be much more amusing. Oop. Fucking hell. Not sure if I'm stood in a good position or not.
So the SJ would have gone through there.
Yeah, definitely. It's like back on.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. This thing doesn't sink to it. Funny that, you're the same last time.
You want to know what the problem was?
Go on.
My foot slipped off the front.
Oh yeah. I thought you hit the brakes or something.
No, honestly.
You got a bit of air anyway.
I went through there, my foot slipped off, I was in the bottom, I was like, no! I can't control.
Yeah. Yeah, had that one before. Oh, you will. He'll find something. Once he gets an idea in his head, that's it. We'll go through. Watch this. Here he goes. Yes! Oh It's through!
I don't know, remember like that.
Excellent. He's going again, isn't he? It's true. Just has to prove a point, doesn't he?
He can't be wrong. There's 3 ways of doing it: the right way, the wrong way, and Robert's way.
To be fair, Rob's way usually works.
Yeah.
He's coming back through the other way, isn't he? Here he comes. I'm standing over here. Crunch. Smells of clutch and cigarettes. Love it. Yeah, I don't think the roof on that 4-track was all dented the last time we were here. I think it had lights, that's all. He's going to end up with a Land Rover in his face.
Nick! Hold it there. I've run out of leg. Rick, I've run out of leg. No, I've run out of leg.
Yeah, last time there was probably 3 or 4 times the amount of trucks here. It's really busy.
Better off putting my hook straight on your shackle.
Yeah. Going for it again.
Still dry, isn't it?
Yeah, it's determined. Give him that. Lost his back window. Look out! What is he fucking hell? It's true.
redlining.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I see. Winch block up the tree. Pull it up that way. Also fully blocked. Steady on, lad. It's alright, at least you're hanging on to the winch. Land Cruiser. Nice truck, that. Yeah,
He's just here to prove you wrong. That's all he's doing this for.
Yeah. I was stuck as you go through there. He's going straight on. Never mind. Sure do. Fucking hell. Sure do. What's this one? This one seems pretty stuck.
Can't you go down?
Right, up the way. He's coming. Hello. Hello. He's contemplating it.
What, that?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
I reckon it looks like you got twice the ground clearance of that rut there.
Not in the bottom.
No, there is, honestly. Isn't there, George?
Yeah.
See? George reckons so as well.
You make it.
He don't take telling too many times, does he? He's coming through there. Go on. Fucking excellent. Excellent. This 4-track will make it through, right? Oh no, it's going around the outside. What a wagon. It's like, well, he made it through in the Vitara, so I reckon my 4-track will get through there. Floor it! Yep.
Feels like it was working.
She's through.
Wasn't working as hard though.
No, no. Yeah, Rob put a lot of effort into that.
The red limiter.
I don't know if this is a good place to be standing or not. A large truck coming this way.
Hey, Rob.
Yeah, I can hear him. What's the matter?
What?
Wheels all rubbing on his bumper.
I should have gone straight across the wraps like you. I did the first time round, but I thought, no, let's mix it up a bit.
You don't know if you don't try, do you?
You don't get pulled out that bottom bit, did you? Yeah, if I can get round with that and get through it, just jump over that bit of fun. I think I'm hanging on the back, probably under the mud. Give it large. Give it large, give it large, give it large.
Large.
Give it large.
She's out.
Yeah, I forgot he wasn't on a winch, he was on a tow.
Yeah.
Large.
I'll give it large ones. Can't you drive smoothly?
No, this seatbelt's over.
You're spilling my champagne.
Going slowly! Fucking slowly. This is very steep from this angle. That's fine.
Our seatbelts aren't on yet.
No, it doesn't work.
Oh, that's alright.
Oh, you need to go round to the right. Yeah, because you'll get stuck any other direction. There's no fucking handles. Right, very slowly. It's now about to stop. Stop!
Ouch.
Do you not know that hole is there?
No.
We do.
Yeah.
Right, carry on.
We tried coming up that
No,
for about
it's fine.
half
No,
an
you're
hour.
right. No, left hand down, you dick.
Alright.
Slowly.
Yeah, it's a good day at Freethorpe. Thanks to Mudmunchers 4x4. Check out their website. Excellent, excellent fun down there at Freethorpe. They hold events all over Norfolk, but sure we'll be going back up there again. Just got to fix a few bits on Rob's Vitara now. So many thanks to Rob for letting us trash that around the course. And like and subscribe, and we'll get more videos up. Cheers.